Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) is a prominent Indian public sector aerospace and defense company headquartered in Bangalore, established in 1940. HAL is distinguished as one of the oldest and largest aerospace and defense manufacturers globally. Presently, HAL operates 11 dedicated research and development centers and 21 manufacturing divisions across 4 production units spread throughout India. It is managed by a board of directors appointed by the President of India, acting through the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Evolution of HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) established in Bangalore on December 23, 1940 by Sri Walchand Hirachand on collaboration with the government of Mysore. HAL's primary objective was the indigenous production of aircraft. Early years of HAL. In 1942, the government of India became a shareholder, eventually assuming full management control. It saw collaboration with global aeronautical companies, resulting in the production of iconic aircraft like the Harlow Trainer, Curtiss Hawk fighter and Vultee bomber. These ventures laid the foundation for India's aeronautics sector. Innovation and diversification. Innovation remained a cornerstone of HAL journeys, giving rise to several aircraft. For example, Pushpak for flying clubs, Trisak for air observatory post role, HF-24 jet fighter, Marut and HJT-16 basic jet trainer Kiran. Later developments. In the 1960s and 1970s, HAL diversified its operation, leading to the establishment of Aeronautics India Limited for the licensed production of MiG-21 aircraft. This eventually culminated in the amalgamation of Hindustan Aircraft Limited and Aeronautics India Limited, giving birth to Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) on October 1, 1964. HAL's contributions extended beyond aircraft manufacturing and played an active role in supporting India's space program. It established an aerospace division in 1988, which became instrumental in supplying critical components for ISRO's launch vehicle and satellites. HAL ventured into gas turbine engines with the creation of the Industrial and Marine Gas Turbine Division in 1998. Recent development. In recent years, HAL has pushed its boundaries with the establishment of the Light Combat Aircraft Tejas Division in 2014, indicating its dedication to indigenous innovation. This initiative promises to revolutionize the modernization efforts of the Indian Defence Services. Today, HAL stands as a global leader in the aerospace and defense industry, shaping the future of aviation and bolstering national security. Research and development centers of HAL. The following are the important centers of HAL known for their respective activities. Contribution of HAL in India's defense sector. Following are the important projects and contributions of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in India's defense sector. Future projects of HAL. HAL is shifting its focus from licensed production to the development of its own indigenous products. These include the Tejas fighter aircraft, various types of helicopters, and the design and development of new helicopters and fighter aircraft. These projects are expected to provide a strong pipeline of work for HAL until the end of the decade. Tejas aircraft. It received clearance for induction into the Indian Air Force in 2019, which represents a major milestone for HAL. The company is set to deliver the remaining 8 of the 40 Tejas aircraft ordered by the Indian Air Force. HAL has planned to manufacture 83 Tejas Mark 1A aircraft with an ambitious target of inducting the Tejas Mark 2 by 2028. Helicopters. HAL has developed helicopters such as Dhruv, Rut and Prachand. The Prachand helicopter is expected to replace the aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters. Collaborations. HAL is actively pursuing collaboration with foreign original equipment manufacturers to enhance its capabilities and technology base. Initiatives like the Combat Air Training System, which combines manned and unmanned aircraft, showcase HAL's commitment to innovation in future. Global collaborations of HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) has signed several MOUs and agreements with global aerospace firms such as MOU with Argentina, a memorandum of understanding with its Argentina counterpart Fabrica Argentina de Aviación for possible collaboration in the aerospace sector. HAL is in talks with Argentina to export the indigenously built light combat aircraft LCA, and India push to gain a toehold in foreign defense markets. MOU with the USA, GE and HAL signed a memorandum of understanding in Washington to produce 99 F414 engines for India's Light Combat Aircraft Mark II program. The deal involves an 80% transfer of technology and is estimated to be worth around $1 billion. MOU with France, HAL and Safran Aircraft Engines. French aerospace company signed a MOU to develop industrial cooperation in ring forging manufacturing for commercial engines. HAL will produce a leading edge aviation propulsion engine in Bengaluru as part of the MOU. Challenges associated with HAL. HAL faces a number of challenges that hindered its efficiency and performance. Financial constraints. It is impaired by cost overruns and payment delays, hindering HAL's operations. Since the Government of India is a major client of HAL, there are some instances of interdepartmental delays in the payment of HAL products. Technological gaps. HAL needs to keep pace with rapidly evolving aerospace technologies like the manufacturing of GE Aerospace's F414 engines can be challenging. Significant investment are required to bridge these gaps in research and development. Delays in project execution. HAL faced unforeseen delays in project execution due to the unavailability of the originally planned materials. This resulted in the production of the aircraft engine using substitute materials, ultimately leading to its failure. Procurement procedures. The procurement of the originally planned materials through complex procurement processes, especially for critical components, can be time consuming. Global competition. HAL operates in a competitive global market, maintaining a competitive edge over its competitors like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, etc. demands constant innovation and cost-effective solutions. In October 2023, HAL lost to the Korean firm for the export of 18 fighter jets to Malaysia. It was a huge setback for the firm. Measures to be taken in future. The following are the steps that can be taken to enhance the efficiency of HAL. Focus on R&D. There is a need to continuously invest to facilitate the development of state-of-the-art technology and innovative solutions. Private sector involvement can be a game changer in this area. Collaboration. Through building more partnership with international aerospace firms like Dassault Aviation, Boeing, etc., HAL can be facilitated by technology transfer and knowledge exchange. This would also enhance the overall professionalism and efficiency within the organization. Academic research. There should be an inculcation of the curriculum of defense technology in the organization. Academic research. There should be an inclusion of in the premier institute like IITs, NITs, etc. There is a need to have dedicated institute for defense technology, just as there is IIST for space technology. Diversification of portfolio. There is a need to explore opportunities in emerging areas like space technology and unmanned aerial vehicle that can expand HAL's portfolio. The market for drones, UAVs, is expanding across the world, which can provide HAL with an opportunity to establish its presence. Global market expansion. Increasing export and actively pursuing export opportunities for HAL's products and services can increase revenues for HAL. For example, Argentina, Egypt and the Philippines showed interest in HAL's light combat aircraft LCA Tejas.